Safety precautions. Processes which emit fumes, mist, toxic vapor, dust shall be provided with adequate exhaust, ventilation, or proper enclosure. And protective clothing, eye, nose, feet, and hand protection shall be used when exposed to hazards such as toxic substances, radiation, hot and corrosive substance. Automatic control that regulate fuel and air supply should be maintained in good condition to ensure the correct temperature for the process. Substitution of toxic substances to non-toxic substances in any quantity process is possible. Sources of dangerous noise should be across the floor. Restrooms shall be provided with proper ventilation and facilities. Pipelines or hoses shall be properly colored to uninsulated pipelines or duct shall be provided with guards or insulated portions adjacent to passageway for personal protection. Moving machine parts shall be provided with adequate protective guards. Welders must wear protective clothing, welding mask, and gloves. Operation involving radiations shall be properly identified and variegated. Only authorized technician shall handle this equipment. Let's go with pollution control. Air pollution control equipment. To promote a clean environment, manufacturing processes or installation whose operation result in the emission of contaminants must be provided with appropriate air pollution control equipment. First one is the inertial separators. The lower type collector is effective in collecting dry above microns in size, while the multi-vapor and centrifugal separators. The tangential inflow tube or cyclone separators are normally suitable for medium size, 15 to 40, and coarse size particulates when the action flow and motion type. The multiple cyclone separators are effective in collecting particulates in the 5 to 15 psi range. Rinsing or wet collection device. Depending on the particular design, some are capable for collecting particulates in sub-micron range. Filtration devices have a high collection efficiency for sub-micron size particulates. Funnel filters are usually used in filtering small volumes of contaminated air, while fabric filters can handle large volumes of contaminated air. Electrostatic precipitators, suitable for the collection of a wide variety of constituents. Gravitational precipitators, used as spray cleaners to remove coarse and abrasive particulates to protect and augment the main dust collectors. Absorption equipment. The absorbent selectively capture or remove gases or liquid from dirty gas streams, even at very small concentrations. Absorption equipment. By using selective liquid solvents, one or more constituents of a gas stream can be removed or filtered. Afterburners. Combustion converts the combustible constituents of a gas stream into carbon and water. Vapor condensers. By extracting heat or increasing pressure, vapor condensation is achieved. So let's go with water pollution. Pollution is the downgrading of water quality by sewage or other waste to the point where it unreasonably affects water used for domestic, industrial, agricultural, navigational, or other beneficial uses. Clarifying waste water is the process of removing turbidity, sediment, and floating materials. It is the first step in treatment since These impurities are highly objectionable and interfere with any subsequent. Regulation is the gathering together of finely divided or colloidal suspended matter into larger particles. This way, regulating agents speed up the settling of suspended matter, make it possible for the small solid not touch. Locomotion is the agglomeration of finely divided suspended matter, locked thus by gently scaling or agitating by